Cheese-making is a centuries-old craft that combines scientific precision and artistic expression. The process starts with carefully selecting high-quality milk, which is the foundation for the final cheese. Each step in the cheese-making process, from curdling and cutting the curds to aging, plays a crucial role in developing the cheese's unique flavor and texture. Mastering this intricate process requires deep knowledge, patience, and a keen eye for detail. The end result is a delightful cheese that showcases the skill and artistry of the cheesemaker. Cheese has a long and storied history, dating back thousands of years to ancient civilizations. Early humans discovered that letting milk curdle and solidify could preserve it and create new culinary possibilities. This transformation from liquid milk to solid cheese likely happened through the accidental discovery of dairy farming, especially with goats and sheep. Archaeological evidence shows cheese-making was already well established over 7,000 years ago. The image depicts a warm, rustic scene of ancient cheese production with traditional tools and equipment. This slide provides important historical context on the origins and evolution of this beloved food. The earliest evidence of cheese-making dates back over 7,000 years, with origins in the Middle East. Archaeologists have found traces of dairy fats in ancient pottery, confirming that cheese was being produced and consumed in those early civilizations. Cheese was a vital food source for these ancient populations, providing important sustenance and nutritional benefits. The discovery of this ancient cheese-making demonstrates the cultural significance of this food and its long history in human societies. Cheese was a vital food for ancient communities, providing essential nourishment and longevity. Different civilizations developed unique cheese-making traditions, reflecting their local resources and cultural practices. Cheese often held religious significance, appearing in rituals and symbolizing abundance and prosperity. The image depicts a warm, inviting scene of traditional cheese-making, with a soft, candlelit atmosphere that evokes the historical importance of this food. In medieval Europe, cheese production was a vital rural practice, with farms using fresh milk from their livestock to create a seasonal, self-sufficient food source. Cheesemakers relied on traditional methods and simple tools to produce a variety of cheese types, adapting their techniques over time. Cheese became an essential food staple across Europe, reflecting local customs and playing an integral role in diets and trade. The rustic, warm setting of the image captures the traditional, community-based nature of medieval cheese production. Artisanal cheesemaking is all about quality over quantity. Each cheese is crafted with meticulous care and precision using high-quality ingredients and traditional methods. Many artisanal cheesemakers are reviving ancient techniques, showcasing unique regional flavors and recipes that connect us to the roots of cheesemaking. There is a growing consumer demand for specialty cheeses as people appreciate the stories and craftsmanship behind each artisan creation. Artisanal cheese reflects diverse culinary traditions from around the world, leading to innovative and captivating new flavors and textures for consumers to discover. Cheesemaking is a fascinating blend of art and science, with precise chemical reactions at its core. Understanding the properties of milk is crucial for creating the wide variety of cheeses we enjoy. This slide provides an overview of the science behind cheesemaking, setting the stage for a deeper dive into the topic. The clean, bright laboratory setup in the image suggests the level of precision and care required in the cheesemaking process. I'll be exploring the key scientific principles and reactions that transform simple milk into the diverse world of cheese. Milk is primarily composed of water, making up about 87% of its total composition. Protein is an important component, contributing to the texture and nutritional value of cheese. Fat plays a key role in influencing the flavor and creaminess of cheese, making up around 4.5% of milk. Lactose is the primary carbohydrate in milk, accounting for approximately 4.8% of its composition. Understanding the detailed composition of milk is crucial for producing high-quality cheese and other dairy products. Starter cultures are essential for transforming milk into cheese through the process of fermentation. They introduce a diverse array of bacteria that contribute unique flavors and textures to the final cheese product. Using starter cultures ensures consistent quality and a reliable production process for cheesemakers. The bacteria in starter cultures play a vital role in developing the cheese's final taste profile, making them crucial for achieving the desired flavor. The coagulation process is a key transformation that turns liquid milk into solid cheese curds. We start by heating the milk to the optimal temperature for coagulation to occur. Next, we add rennet, an enzyme that initiates the coagulation of the casein proteins in the milk. As the milk coagulates, it forms soft curds. Finally, we cut the curds to release the whey and prepare the curds for further processing into cheese. The curd cutting process is crucial for controlling the texture and moisture of the cheese. Carefully slicing the curds releases the whey, which is an important step in the cheese-making process. After cutting, the curds are gently heated to enhance their consistency and promote whey expulsion. Timing the cooking is vital to achieve the desired curd firmness. This impacts the final cheese characteristics. Agitating and stirring the curds helps maintain their structure and further separates the whey. Understanding and mastering this cutting and cooking process is essential for crafting distinct cheeses. The pyramid on the slide visually summarizes the key steps involved: optimal curd cutting, controlled cooking temperature, texture development, and consistent agitation. The curd has been cut and left to firm up after coagulation. We then need to drain the curd to remove the excess whey. Draining the curd is an important step to prepare the cheese. Next, we carefully incorporate salt into the curd. Salt enhances the flavor of the cheese and helps with preservation. The timing of when we add the salt is crucial. It affects the final texture and flavor of the cheese. We need to be very precise with the salting process for the best results. Aging and affinage are crucial stages in cheese making that impact the final flavor and texture of the cheese. These processes enhance the cheese's profile through carefully controlled environmental conditions. Factors like humidity, temperature, and specific mold treatments play a vital role in the aging process. I'll go into more detail on the key aspects of the aging process. Optimal storage conditions. Temperature and humidity must be tightly controlled to create the ideal environment for aging. Getting these environmental factors right is critical for the cheese to develop properly. Maturation techniques. Different methods can be used to influence the complexity of flavors that develop during aging. The specific techniques employed will depend on the type of cheese. Flavor development. Microbial activity during aging contributes greatly to the depth and nuance of the cheese's final flavor profile. Carefully managing these microbial processes is key to achieving the desired flavor outcome. Natural aging caves provide ideal humidity and temperature levels for optimal cheese aging. The controlled climate in modern facilities ensures consistent conditions for cheese ripening, which can enhance the flavor profiles. Traditional aging rooms with rustic settings foster unique microbial growth, contributing to distinct flavors in the cheese. Some cheeses benefit from outdoor aging, as they are influenced by the local climate and environmental conditions. Bacteria and molds are essential for the fermentation process that transforms milk into the diverse range of cheeses we enjoy. These microorganisms contribute unique flavors and textures, creating the distinct profiles that define different cheese varieties. Certain beneficial bacteria can also promote gut health, enhancing the nutritional value of cheese. Molds grow on the surface of cheese, creating rinds that protect the cheese and influence its aging process. The interplay of bacteria and molds is crucial for developing the complex flavors, textures, and health benefits found in artisanal cheeses. Aging is a critical process that develops the complex, nuanced flavors in cheese. As cheese ages, biochemical reactions occur that create an intricate, layered taste profile. The aging environment, temperature, humidity, etc., has a major influence on how the cheese develops its unique flavors. Microorganisms like bacteria and molds also play a key role, contributing to the aroma and taste of aged cheeses. The aging process also alters the texture of the cheese, resulting in creaminess or a more crumbly mouthfeel. Cheese is a diverse and fascinating food, with many different styles and varieties to explore. Today we'll be looking at 4 main categories of cheese: hard, soft, fresh, and blue. Hard cheeses like Parmesan and Gruyere have a deep, complex flavor and a firm, dense texture. Soft cheeses such as Brie and Camembert are creamy, rich, and often have a delicate, bloomy rind. Fresh cheeses like ricotta and mozzarella are light, moist, and typically not aged. Blue cheeses, including Roquefort and Gorgonzola, are known for their distinct mold and tangy flavor. Each of these cheese categories offers unique sensory experiences and culinary applications. Hard cheeses are aged for a longer period, resulting in dense textures and robust, complex flavors. Soft cheeses are characterized by creamy, smooth textures. They are often unripened or only lightly aged. Fresh cheeses are highly perishable and are made without any aging process. They have a mild, delicate taste. The variety of hard, soft, and fresh cheeses on the board showcases the wide range of cheese types and textures that can be enjoyed. These different cheese categories offer something for every palate, from the bold, nutty notes of aged cheddars to the light, spreadable fresh ricottas. Artisanal cheeses are crafted with traditional methods, showcasing unique flavors and reflecting local terroir and traditions. Farmstead cheeses are made on the same farm where the milk is produced, preserving a heritage of craftsmanship. Each cheese undergoes a careful aging process that enriches its complexity and depth of flavor. These cheeses celebrate the art of cheesemaking, with every step reflecting the skill and dedication of the producers. Quality milk is a foundation for great cheese. The milk is curdled to form solid curds and liquid whey. Careful processing of the curds is key. They are cut, cooked, and drained to remove moisture. Aging the cheese over time allows complex flavors to develop. Each step in the cycle plays a crucial role in producing the final cheese product. Sustainable practices in cheese-making are crucial for reducing the industry's environmental impact. Utilizing local resources minimizes transportation emissions and supports the local economy. Ethical treatment of dairy animals is essential. Pasture-based systems enhance the animal's quality of life. Efficient waste recycling methods can convert byproducts into organic fertilizers, contributing to soil health and reducing landfill waste. Investing in renewable energy sources and energy-efficient equipment can lower operational costs and dependence on fossil fuels. Cheese is deeply tied to the local environment, or terroir, where it is produced. The landscape, climate, and native flora all shape the unique flavor profiles of different cheeses. Each cheese variety showcases its own distinct characteristics that are influenced by its geographic origin. Traditional production methods also contribute to the unique flavors, reflecting the local culture and heritage. Different regions develop their own specialized cheese styles based on the environmental factors present in that area. Understanding the connection between cheese and terroir helps us appreciate the diversity and complexity of this food. Provenance, or the origin of a cheese, is crucial in enhancing its story and value for consumers. Knowing the source of a cheese builds trust in its quality and authenticity, reassuring customers about what they are purchasing. A cheese's provenance affects its flavor profile as local climates, soil, and traditional production methods influence the dairy used to make it. Preserving traditional cheese-making techniques supports local cultures and economies, which is an important part of a cheese's heritage. Highlighting the provenance of this cheese can help communicate its unique story and the care that goes into its production. Cheese has a wide variety of unique flavor profiles, shaped by its ingredients and production methods. Understanding these different flavor notes can greatly enhance the enjoyment and appreciation of each cheese. The texture of cheese can range from creamy to crumbly, adding an extra layer of complexity to the tasting experience. Paying attention to the aroma of a cheese can also provide clues about its age and ingredients, further enriching the tasting. Pairing cheese with complementary flavors can enhance the overall taste experience. Look for contrasting flavors that balance each other, like strong blue cheese with sweet figs. The texture of the cheese should also complement its pairing, such as creamy brie with crunchy nuts. Combining local cheeses with regional accompaniments often results in the best flavor experiences. Utilizing seasonal fruits and herbs can elevate cheese pairings to highlight freshness and zest. Cheese is a versatile ingredient that can elevate a variety of culinary applications. On pizza, cheese provides a creamy, flavorful base that complements the other toppings. In salads, crumbled feta or shaved Parmesan can add richness and elevate the dish. A diverse selection of cheeses on a cheese board creates an inviting and sophisticated presentation, especially when paired with fruits and nuts. Cheese sauces can enrich dishes like nachos and macaroni, adding a smooth, creamy texture. The images on this slide highlight some of the key ways cheese can be used in cooking and entertaining. Plant-based cheeses are on the rise as consumers demand more dairy-free options. Innovations in nut and soy-based cheeses are leading this trend. Consumers are seeking unique, artisanal cheeses from small producers. The emphasis is on quality ingredients and local sourcing. Health-conscious consumers want cheeses with reduced fat and enhanced nutrients. These healthier indulgences are gaining popularity. Innovative flavor pairings like spicy and sweet are becoming mainstream. Cheese flavor profiles continue to evolve to entice consumer palates. The future of cheese-making is an exciting blend of traditional methods and cutting-edge technology. New monitoring technologies allow cheesemakers to precisely control fermentation and aging processes, leading to higher quality and consistency. Sustainability is a growing priority, with producers adopting eco-friendly practices to reduce waste and energy use. Interactive experiences will bring consumers closer to the artisans, allowing them to engage with the cheesemaking process in new and immersive ways. This combination of technology, sustainability, and consumer engagement is shaping the future of this age-old craft. Traditional cheesemaking methods connect us to our cultural heritage and the skilled artisans who came before us. Hands-on practices and craftsmanship are essential for preserving the authenticity and quality of traditional cheese production. Local cheesemakers play a vital role in fostering community bonds by sharing their knowledge and passion for time-honored techniques. Preserving these cherished traditions helps promote sustainability in our food systems by supporting local producers and minimizing environmental impact. This slide provides an overview of the key resources available for aspiring cheesemakers to develop their skills and knowledge. It highlights 4 main categories: books and guides, online courses, local workshops, and forums/networks. For each category, a brief description is provided to give the audience a sense of what kind of resources they can expect to find. The visual of a cozy cheesemaking workshop sets the tone and invites the audience into the world of artisanal cheesemaking. The goal is to inspire the audience to explore these various learning opportunities and connect with the cheesemaking community. Emphasize that there are many accessible ways for beginners to get started, from self-paced learning to hands-on experiences. Encourage the audience to consider which resources might be the best fit for their learning style and goals. Cheese is more than just a food. It's a celebration of culture and craftsmanship. The joys of cheesemaking enrich our culinary experiences and connect us to tradition. Cheese offers endless flavors and textures. From artisanal varieties to everyday staples, invite the audience to embrace this delightful journey through the world of cheese. Emphasize how cheese brings people together and creates memorable experiences.